Diatom, tiny architects of ocean life.
Diatoms are microscopic algae that live in oceans, lakes, and rivers. They are key producers that generate more than 20% of Earth's oxygen. Each diatom has a silica frustule that forms a rigid glass-like shell. This silica frustule is made of silicon dioxide and protects the diatom cell. It also allows sunlight to enter easily, supporting photosynthesis. The diatom community forms the base of many marine food webs. Zooplankton and small fish depend on diatom growth for nourishment. Furthermore, diatoms play a major role in the carbon and silicon cycles. When diatoms die, their silica frustules sink and trap carbon in deep water. Scientists study diatom fossils to reconstruct past climate conditions. In recent years, climate change has altered ocean temperature and nutrient balance. As a result, diatom populations have shifted in size and distribution. Researchers monitor these changes to track ecosystem health. Overall, diatoms demonstrate how microscopic organisms can influence the entire planet. The following story illustrates these ideas. Dr. Maya Lopez conducted research along the Chilean coast. She collected seawater samples filled with colorful diatoms under her microscope. Their silica frustules displayed intricate circles and spines like tiny sculptures. One summer, she observed that warmer surface waters contained fewer diatoms. This decline reduced food for plankton and small anchovies in the region. Her team suspected that rising sea temperatures limited nutrient mixing. They compared their data with satellite images of ocean productivity. Indeed, regions with fewer diatoms showed weaker photosynthetic activity. Dr. Lopez's research emphasized how sensitive diatom dynamics are to climate change. In summary, diatoms remain essential producers, shaping marine ecosystems and global cycles. Their silica frustules remind us that even the smallest life forms can reflect Earth's vast environmental balance.